हेलो कितने गोल्ड
Myself, Dr. Savita Palkar. Presently, I am working as a lecturer in highway. I am a postgraduate from Mumbai University. I have 2 kids. First is elder daughter 9 years and younger son 5 years. Residing in Navi Mumbai. Spouse is he is a dentist. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. I am Swapnil Gole. Still.
You all remain the same. We have to change our identity.
I just wanted some comments that I said that. I have been married for past 12 years. I have a 6-year-old daughter. And while I was coming here, I told her I am going to my school. She said, why? I said, I'm going to meet my friends after 20 years.
22. 22 हो गया।
अभी क्या है, ये मेरी बेटी को बोला मैंने, वो टाइम पे नहीं थी तो उसने मेरे से सवाल पूछा नहीं। Just take it ahead. तो she said, why do you want to meet them? I said, because we were studying together. तो but you were studying together, but then after that you left, you are here, the friends are there, how they will recognize you? I said, beta, friends do not need recognition. If you see a friend, you feel happy, you don't know the name, you know the face, you'll remember something, you'll always feel happy about that friend. And I don't know if you understood, but that is what I felt. My wife and kid, and one more thing I would like to tell. I have many. I remember Anjum teacher, and Anjum teacher always used to come in the class, and while coming she used to say, Sachin Dhotre, Swapnil Gole, Mahendra Bharaskar, get out of the class. And then she used to enter in the class. Mahendra Bharaskar and Vishal Bhora, these 2 guys, they used to crack a joke, और एकदम ऐसे शांत बैठ जाते, और हम हंसते थे, और हमको बहुत मार पड़ी थी. But still, those were the fun days. I still miss. क्या joke नहीं बोलते. I still miss those. And about school memories. Okay, lot of school memories, but this is very funny. I think all of us know Tiwari sir. He was a very strict guy, and I was in 10th. And I used to have this small cycle, okay, which used to be puncture cycle. I used to just take it to school, somehow managed to take it to school, and then I was going from the ground was empty, the back from my house, the ground is like, it was all deserted one, and then one day I was just going by, Priti Sharma was there, and you know, when you see your classmate, you just say hi, hello, more of saying hi, hello, I was worried कि तिवारी सर पीछे से आ जाएंगे, देख लेंगे, तो क्या समझेंगे? So that was a funny part. It was nice to see you all. Thank you.
I'm Abhijit Deshmukh. I am an architect by profession, and I'm practicing as an architect. I have my own firm based in Pune. I agree with Rahul when he said that this is our route. आपण इथे घडलो बिघडलो, as we call it, and I sincerely believe.
तू बिगड़ा नहीं.
कुछ बिगड़े. But yeah, I sincerely believe that this is a place. The friends that you make in school, those stay forever. उसके बाद काफी लोगों से आप मिलते हो. But I mean, जो closeness in friends के साथ है, that comfort level you never get with your new friends. So,
क्या बोलूं? नहीं, पहले पूछ लो फिर बता.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बसंती?
मेरा नाम रीना पटेल है. आफ्टर मैरिज अमिता कपूर. 15 साल हो गए हैं मेरी मैरिज को, and I have 3 kids. Elder daughter Karishma Kapoor, she is in 10th. Second Muskan Kapoor, she is in 6th, and younger son Shubham Kapoor is in 5th. हाँ, एक किस्सा सुनाना चाहूँगी सुनिएगा. मेरी दबंग बनने का फर्स्ट किस्सा. मैं 10th में थी, ऋतु मेरे साथ थी। एक बार इंटरवल में वो मुझे अपने फ्रेंड के यहाँ लेके गई, फ्रेंड के यहाँ लेके गई, वहाँ लेट हो गया, इंटरवल फिनिश। गेट बंद होने के पहले हम धीरे से चोरी चोरी से वो नीम के पेड़ के पीछे से ऊपर आए। मेरे पिंटो ने उनके ऑफिस में से हम लोगों को देख लिया। बस तो क्या था, स्कूल के बाहर, स्कूल तक अपने ऑफिस के बाहर खड़ा किया। फिर हम दोनों के पेरेंट्स को बुलाए, बोले कि आपकी डॉटर ये क्या है, स्कूल मिस करके बाहर जा रही है। उस दिन का दिन था जो मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था दबंग का। उसके बाद आई वॉज दबंग टाइप, हमेशा मस्ती।
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Vedant Kabra, a Mastikor Bachcha, everyone remember. I'm working in JF Financial from last 4 years in Pune only. Having one daughter, 9 years old. Her name is Sia Kabra. Wife is also working. She is into academy with Windows College and School and College.
Hello. Good afternoon, everybody. Vibhor Gujarati. I have done BE Mechanical, MBA Marketing, and last almost 14 years I've been working with different sectors, different companies. Presently, I'm an associate director with Edelweiss Financial. Importantly, I have actually worked in 5 different sectors, and you'll be amazed. Being a BE Mechanical and MBA, I started my career with Mahindra. Then I moved to Saint-Gobain Glass India Limited, which is more a FMCG company. Then Wipro Limited. Then yeah, I will tell that. So after that,
बच्चा क्या?
Balaji Telefilms Limited.
Ekta Kapoor.
Yeah, Ekta Kapoor. And then I'm with Financial Services. So I feel कि it's not कि you should do a study in something. You can actually start anything fresh and actually you can become a master in that. So I have that feeling that you can start anything and the same.
Good afternoon, friends. Myself Pallavi. I am now Dr. Pallavi Dhawale, working as an anesthesiologist in Akola since 2006. My husband is Dr. Rajendra Dhawale. He is MD Medicine. The habit of talking very much has been vanished because I am an anesthesiologist. Everyone sleeps when I go in OT, so I can't talk much. Okay, thank you.
Chetna Gowkar is happily married to me. I'm blessed with Sarthika. She is of 6 years, and a child Agastya. She is of 3 years. My father was a government servant, and he used to get transferred over here and there. Like I came in this school in 7th standard, and I left Akola by 11th standard. So before that also we were in Kolhapur and Nagpur. But you know, like throughout the career, like throughout our education, like the friends that we have in this at the time of when we pass on the 10th, they actually hold a different place. And the memories that we cherish is altogether different. I had an organization which is into 3D modeling and CAD-based design at Nagpur, and and my wife is a housewife.
Hello everyone, I'm Samar Gandhi and I am settled in Pune now. My journey was excellent, like 15 years. I was a sports, very mischievous actually. Actually like me, and my mom daily tells him don't be like your father. So yeah, and
आपको कैसे पता चला मस्ती करता है?
now I can show you his photos to you if you want to see. So I work in as a VP in Deutsche Bank, and I'm in IT by the way. I'm heading there one of the divisions there, you know. So recently joined by the way. So and thank you so much. And by the way, I want to just call up for one sister actually, which I miss from my school days. Neeta sister. Yeah, Neeta sister, and oh, she is coming then. Excellent. I will get something for her.
I'm also missing paratha, aloo paratha.
Yeah, paratha from my home. So yeah, she was the one who I used to tease a lot. So I'll talk to her. Thank you guys.
Friends, first I want to thank God that all my friends are so happy in a prosperous way, and I really find I'm very happy to see you all. And second, the organizers.
So are we.
And the organizers who arranged this grand reunion. And about myself, I am Dr. Sonal. I am a Dr. Sonal, and now my surname is Mishra. I am a consultant homeopath, and my husband is a wing commander in Indian Air Force. Presently, he is a commanding officer in Gorakhpur Air Force Hospital. I have a small daughter of 6 years. She is in first standard in International School, Pune. We both are settled in Pune, and we have a house, so everybody is welcome to my house. If anything you require, please do come.
Who commanded?
I hope only one command. Thank you, thanks a lot.
Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, friends. Myself Sachin Dhotre. I am working as a manager global sourcing, Thermax Pune. I am married. My wife, she is an associate professor. She is an associate professor in Bharati Vidyapeeth, having 2 kids. Both are studying.
MD, myself Jasdeep Sethi. I am running my own business. I am having automobile workshop, and I am having 3 kids. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Okay, nobody stood. Yeah, I'm Archana Vandade. I'm working in Holy Cross Convent School. Everybody knows. Okay. My husband is an engineer. I got 2 kids. Both of them are studying in my school only. And I would like to share in our school. Now it is my only.
Yes.
Presently. Okay. So, I want to share one memory. I remember Chaturvedi sir. He told me we used to sit on the first bench. So he was there. Wankhede bhai, kal holi hai. Sir, holi to ho gayi. अरे अपनी होली है होली क्रॉस की सेकंड टर्म एग्जाम मार्च महीना तो तुम लोग नीले पेन से होली खेलेंगे मैं लाल पेन से खेलूंगा whatever we are, we owe a lot to our school. Whatever we are doing in different parts of the society, we whatever services we are rendering, being an engineer, doctor, professor, all of us are doing so well. We owe everything to our dear Holy Cross. So a big hand for Holy Cross. I would like to say, friendship is like a bubble. Delicate, rich and rare. Catch it before it falls on the ground.
Wow.
I've been known for the mischievous guy in the school. But I really cherish that. I said mischievous. Okay, I hope everyone is now keeping them to maintain the fitness. I hope everyone is doing something for yourself. So I always, before I start with my introduction, I want you, please be fit. Keep yourself, do jogging, keep yourself fit. Because I want my friends. Yeah, Swapnil said in a different See, because I want this gathering, what is organized by my friends, Sharad, Sachin, Dulwade. I want that everyone should be, every time they should be present. So, because I've seen in my career, some of my friends have lost in between. So, I really feel that please be fit, keep yourself physically fit, and again we will meet every year. And the one most mischievous, what we can say, that Abhay Parekh, and I was a partner of Abhay Parekh. And Abhay Parekh and me was first time being partner in the 8th or 9th standard, if I'm not wrong. That time, Tembe teacher.
Pin drop challenge.
Pin drop challenge. Now, my mind was always see how we can break the silence. And how we can irritate her, in any case, because always she teaches something and she asks us to read for half an hour. Just she taught the lesson and she asks us to read and to understand yourself, and then she will. So what was happening? I thought that I'm dropping a pencil and make the noise. So something. But what happened? Meantime, Abhay took the concept and Abhay picked the compass box. And I just shook his hand and the compass got dropped. Then the day Abhay Parekh got it, Abhay Parekh still remember those marks on his back. But that was Abhay Parekh didn't hope to be a whole month. And he was very afraid of me coming to me also. That same thing happened with Anand Radharkar also in Divanji's class. What Divanji sir was teaching something and Radharkar was making something faces and he started laughing. When he's
Dr. Ashish Tale, I want Smita Shivani to be ready. Welcome Ashish.
Myself Ashish Tale. I have completed my graduation in agriculture. Then I have started seed processing or grain processing plant in MIDC, Akola. I am married. I have a 6 years old child.
आशिष टालेनी आताच माझ्यासमोर म्हटलंय म्हणून मी आशिष टालेची एक लहानपणापासून आय डू रिमेंबर वन इन्सिडेंट आणि माझ्या मोठ्या मुलाला मी झोपताना नेहमी सांगते की नोज युअर नेम बाय हार्ट आशिष आणि इतके दोघं हसतात आणि आय एम व्हेरी प्राऊड I really appreciate all of you that yes, I have achieved something. Everybody is appreciating me, but my children also, my sons also appreciate. की मॉम यू सुपर मॉम, तू महाराणी आहेस आणि आम्हाला तुझ्याच शाळेत शिकायचंय. कोणती स्कूल आहे तुझी? सो टुमॉरो आय रिक्वेस्ट शरद अँड ऑल टीम that give me please permission to bring my kids, my sons to Holy Cross Convent. Okay, thank you so much. आशिष आणि मी आय थिंक 3rd स्टँडर्ड मध्ये सोबत असू. हा रोज मला मारायचा, रोज. आणि आय वॉज सो डिसेंट. मी घरी कोणाला काही सांगितलं नाही, रिक्षावाल्याला सांगितलं नाही, मिस्टर सांगितलं नाही की याची बिचारीची चांगलीच निघेल जर हा मला रोज मारतोय तर. शाळेत येताना आय वॉज रिअली व्हेरी हॅपी, आय वॉज फिलिंग व्हेरी हॅपी. बट शाळा एंटर करायची की मला खूप भीती वाटायची आशिषची. बट वर्षभर मार खाल्लायचा. आणि एक दिवस ड्रिंक करून स्मिताला जेव्हा राग येतो, एक गुद्दा घेतला आणि त्याच्या पाठीत आय डू रिमेंबर स्पेस ऑल्सो नाव. आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्याने बिचारीने मला कधीच हात लावला. We do remember that our first proverb, we do learn that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But Vasudha and all, we used to say, if the doctor is handsome, keep the apple away. And I got really a very handsome guy. My husband is Dr. Shivraj Manikrao Tengse. He's a Marathwadian, typical Maratha Patil Manus hai to, sada suda. And he's a double DNB, he's a neurosurgeon, he's a gold medalist. He has done his UG PG from Sion Hospital, Mumbai. He has done his DNB from New Delhi University, and he's doing very well academically also and practices. We are having a private practice. We are having our own hospital, and I am also eye surgeon. I've done my MBBS and DOMS from Pune University and FCPS DNB from JJ Hospital, Mumbai. And I'm having 2 sons. One is 8 years old and one is 4 years old. Raghav and Raman. आम्ही घरी त्यांना राम आणि कृष्ण म्हणतो. त्या निमित्ताने तरी देवाचं नाव तोंडावरती येईल.
Good afternoon, friends. Today, looking at your such laughing faces, as you are again back in Holy Cross. You are meeting after so many years. So, very glad to see you all. The day when we started our GTG, since we went each and every wedding school at Diwali also. So that time also, after meeting after so many years, and you today each and every one looking as a child, as previously in school, and telling about me. Just I am as a area sales manager in a pharma company at Akola, and I am having one child who is 12 years old, and second is expected.
हो जाए शुरू। मनोज भैया, बिजनेस करता हूँ। तेलुगु नहीं आती, ऐसे ये बोलते तो बहुत है। क्योंकि स्टेज पे कभी आया नहीं, कभी ऐसे सामने कभी बोला नहीं, पीछे ही थे। लेकिन जो भी बाहर गाँव से आए हैं, यूएस से आए, बहुत अच्छा लगा। आप आए यहाँ पे और एक अपनापन बताया। आता जीव घेते माइकचं।
Good afternoon. Special thank you Sharad and Sachin. Myself Shivani Sable, spouse Shantanu Sable, located at Pune. I am working with Idea Cellular from last 10 years, having 2 kids, Disha and Veer. Disha is 9 years old and Veer is 3 years old.
Myself Hemant Anandani, residing at Akola, permanent resident of Akola, and currently managing my business. I have 3 kids. I have to speak about school. Where is Keshto? Keshwani? अरे टेबल टीचर के क्लास में